My name is Christine, and today I'm going to show you how to make these cute little Easter baskets out of paper. You have to stop it. You can't get this until after. I made the bucket part for the two larger baskets using the same method. I started with 2 pieces of the same color of construction paper. I cut 3 inches off the first piece to create a square. I then marked 3-inch long lines from each corner and cut them open. I cut the second piece of construction paper into 3-inch wide panels and glued each of those panels to one side of the first piece of construction paper. I trimmed the edges so the pieces would not overlap, and it looks kind of like a cross. I slathered the corners with glue stick and overlapped the edges, making sure the top of the bucket lined up well. I did that on all 4 corners and pressed the seams together until all the glue dried. I then drew up some Easter eggs to use as decoration, and I used a ton of glue when applying these to the baskets. And you can only tell if you look really closely, but I lined the Easter eggs up over the seams to help conceal them. I made some grass blades by cutting strips of green construction paper into fringe. And you can make some fun shapes with your grass blades if you add a wave when you cut them out. I added glue to the bottom of the grass blades and glued them to the inside of the blue bucket. That process was very tricky and sticky. I made my own Easter grass by folding my paper into an accordion and then cutting it into little thin strips. And Easter grass is perfect to make with all of your little scraps when you're done. That's what I did with all these little different colors in my purple basket. And I made 2 different types of handles for my Easter baskets too. I glued a blue strip of paper to the blue basket and interlocked it with the grass blades. And in order to fit this chocolate Peter Rabbit in the basket, I had to angle the handle forward or else it would have gotten in the way. I cut a hole in each side of the purple basket and fed a pink and purple pipe cleaner through each side. And I even added this cute little Easter bunny ring to one end. You know those little holiday cupcakes that come with a really cheap plastic ring on top? That's what this Easter bunny is. And I even made Cujo his own little Easter basket. You are not allowed to have that until I'm done with my video. Go away! I started with a plain white muffin tin liner, rolled up the wavy grass blades from earlier, and glued a thin white handle on top. And it was the perfect size for the little bird I got him. And you can load these paper Easter baskets up the same way you would load a normal Easter basket. craft your own Easter baskets out of construction paper. And these are purely decorative Easter baskets that you can load your Easter morning little gifts into, but you can't really use these for an egg hunt because they won't be sturdy enough for all those heavy eggs. And after all the time I spent making these and all the glue I got on my fingers, I do have to say I like Hujo's the best. I think it's very simple but elegant looking, and it's the perfect size for his gift, and I think it looks really cute. I had a ton of fun making these, and paper Easter baskets are a great alternative to other types if you don't have a lot of storage to keep them year-round. Please leave a like on this video if you haven't already. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite part of Easter is, and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any more fun holiday crafting content. I will see you guys next week.